Hi, welcome to HardReset.Info channel, dear viewers. In front of me CUBOT P50, and now I'm gonna show you how to set up Nearby Share on this device. Firstly, open control panel, enable Wi-Fi, Bluetooth and location, then find Nearby Share, click and hold on it, enable Nearby Share, click device name. Here you can rename your device. Here you can change device visibility mode. You can be hidden, visible for contacts only or for everyone. And you can change data usage mode. Choose preferred data usage mode, and that's it. Now you can receive and send data using Nearby Share. Thanks for watching, like this video, bye!